Hey everyone, in this video let's find out about using Google Antigravity on mobile. In order to do so, here we are at antigravity.google, and here you could see we have the download for Windows option. If we click on that, you're going to see that we have the option to download it for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, but at this time there is no option to download this for mobile. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.